Everyone, welcome to Flavors and Fragrance Recipes. Today I'm going to make Sheera. This is my mom's recipe. Sheera is made in two different types. One is our regular Sheera and one is Prasadacha Pujecha Sheera. But today we are going to make regular sooji halwa. This doesn't have banana. If you want you can add, but I'm not adding today. So I've taken a pan and I'm putting half cup of ghee. This is homemade ghee and I'll tell you the exact measurements. You have to take 1 cup of rawa. For 1 cup of rawa you're going to take half cup of ghee, homemade ghee, and you're going to take 1 cup of milk and 2 cups of hot water. So this is the measurement you have to keep in mind. Only then your sheera will become very nice and fluffy. The measurements are very important. So to this we are going to add 1 cup of sooji, regular sooji, or you can even take chiroti rawa, a little bit super fine. So let's add that. And now I am going to roast it in this ghee for 10 minutes on slow flame. So let's do it. So that our sooji, that is chiroti rawa or regular rawa, is nicely roasted, and then it's going to turn out to be very good. This is my mom's recipe. Sometime I'll also show you Prasadacha Sheera. That is different recipe. It has more ghee and bananas and all that stuff. But this is not having that. This is regular sooji halwa, you can say, or Sheera, whatever you like. And now let it be a little bit light golden brown on slow flame. 10 minutes. Just dry roast it in ghee. Okay, so it's been like 9 minutes now and this is how it's looking. Now to this we are going to add some more ingredients. Okay, so first I want to put my cardamon powder, elaichi powder, that is. So I'm going to put around 1 teaspoon elaichi powder. Mix it well. Now I'm going to put 1 cup of warm milk and 2 cups of warm water first, and then I'll put my sugar in the end. Be careful because it's going to splutter. I'm going to put slowly 1 cup of milk first and 2 cups of warm water. This is my measurements. The gas is still on slow, and now we are going to mix it. Before we add the sugar, make sure that there are no lumps. Be very careful. No lumps before we add sugar, so mix well. On slow flame everything. So very tasty breakfast recipe or a sweet dish, whatever you may call it, and children love it. I like to eat it like a sweet dish actually. So my flame is still on slow, and now after we mix all this nice, we are going to add sugar and cook it for 10 minutes. Cover it and cook it. Today I have taken chiroti rawa. You can take normal rawa also or medium rawa also, as per your wish. But the measurements are 1 cup of rawa, half a cup of ghee, homemade ghee, 1 cup of milk, 2 cups of water, and 1 cup of sugar. Now let me just add my sugar. 1 cup of sugar. And now let's mix this properly. And we are going to cover it and cook it. Then it's going to be nice fluffy. In that steam it will cook itself with other ingredients. So let me just mix this. This is how it's looking now. There are no lumps. And now we are going to cover this. Cook it for 10 minutes. Let me just mix it still. Make sure that no lumps are there. Very quick recipe it is. How nice this is looking. So I've mixed it nicely. And let me get a lid and let's cover this whole thing and cook it on slow flame again for 10 minutes. Okay, so here comes our lid, and now 10 minutes we are going to let it cook on slow flame, and our yummy tasty sheera is all ready. Serve hot. It's to be eaten hot. Everyone will love it. Very tasty. Sugar consistency is this, but if you want more sugar, more sweeter, you can add a little bit more, let's say half a cup. And subscribe to my channel and I'll come more and more frequently. I did this recipe after a long time, but I'll be doing it every week. So subscribe to my channel and I'll come again with some new interesting recipe. Let me know in the comments if you tried this recipe in your home kitchen and did you like it, and also let me know which recipes you want me to make for you on this channel. Until then, it's bye. Let's see after 10 minutes how our sheera is looking. Okay, so it's 10 minutes and now let's see how our sheera is looking. It's looking nice. It's like this. See how nice fluffy it is. And I'm also going to taste it and see how it is, soft and sweet. Very tasty. So this sheera is ready to serve. I feel that I should add a bit of sugar. It's a little less sweet. I had taken 1 cup. So I'll be adding some 3-4 tablespoons of sugar. I want to make it a bit sweeter. So you can take around 1.5 cup, as I said earlier. Adjust the sweet consistency as per your wish. And let me just mix it and then we'll come back again. Okay, so I mixed everything. Now my sheera is ready and now it is good sweetness. I'm going to plate this in a bowl and then we'll see. So our sheera is all ready to serve hot. So here's our sheera. Do try this recipe in your home kitchen. Until next time, it's bye from Dipali from Flavors and Fragrance.